Hi guys, I'm Abhinav and I'm at Speed Monks in Mayapuri again. In front of you is my X-Pulse. It's completely stripped down because we are doing a big bore swap in the motorcycle. So I'd shown you earlier about this NMW kit that my friend got installed on his motorcycle. I tried that bike out and it's absolutely nuts. So I thought rather than doing a video on that motorcycle, I'll get everything done on my motorcycle and I'll show you the entire process how we are building the motorcycle and then running in process and then just ripping it on the trails and seeing how it rides. So Atul has already installed the 71 piston and the big bore. So this is the stock cylinder. What he's done is he got the cylinder bored out because the stock piston size is 66.5 millimeters. The diameter, this one, the new NMW high compression piston is 71 millimeters. So he's done that, he's installed that. Today what we will do is, we have a race cam installed in the cam holder. This is the head of the motorcycle and these are just little child parts. So we will tie all of this up together. Atul is right here. Hi Atul. So Atul, you've done it on 2 motorcycles now. No, 3 motorcycles. Yours also.
Yeah.
And they are running very well.
Yeah.
No problems, no complaints from the customers yet.
Not enough.
And you were telling me that Aditya Nakra, who the first guy who got it done,
Right.
the bike is so powerful that it's almost scaring him.
Yeah, because he is not used to controlling such a power on trails and all.
Right.
So he's finding it a bit uneasy at times for him. Just too much for him.
So
maybe he'll just get used
He'll
to
get
it.
used to it.
Right, he will get used to it. He's been riding bigger bikes also.
Yeah.
But it's just the trail section which is a bit scary for him with that amount of power.
Okay, so Atul, what are we going to do? First and foremost, you got the engine, you got the cylinder board.
Yeah.
You've installed the piston.
Piston is already been
The
installed.
piston is there. So
The
what
cam
are
is
we
there.
going to go? What is going to go up next?
So we'll be putting up the head.
Okay.
And after that the cam holder will be fixing up the timings, checking the valve clearances and all,
Okay.
and then we will be doing the clutch.
Okay.
Clutch, I'm thinking I'll first start the bike, leave it for like few hours,
Okay.
give it some time, slightly run above 10-15 kilometers, then we'll replace the oil,
Okay.
and with the oil change we'll change the clutch.
What oil will be put in the motorcycle?
We'll be using 1040 Motul 300V.
300V.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I think the stock oil, I don't even know if they use synthetic oil. They probably use.
No, they're using
They
mineral
use-
oil, the grade is 1030.
Okay.
And with the conditions and as well as the rebuild as well as the usage, it won't.
It won't suffice.
It will seize up.
So what we are now going to do is install the head. Now this is the timing chain that Atul is holding. He's tied it to a little piece of cloth so that he can tie it up and it doesn't fall inside the cylinder.
And not every time. The most of the time it gets painful.
Okay. So the head is where it is supposed to be. Yeah. So what are we going to do next? We'll lock it with the bolts.
Yeah, we'll start putting the things together.
Okay, so this is where they go. Are there 2 bolts on that side also?
There will be 4 bolts.
Total of 4 bolts.
Total 6 bolts.
6 bolts, okay.
Yeah.
The cam holder goes on top of the head. So Atul, this is a high lift, high duration cam.
Yeah.
It'll open, what that means is it'll open the valves longer and for
Slightly.
slightly more and for a longer duration also.
Right.
Okay. So guys, the X-Pulse is a 2-valve head, so well, I did not show you the valves earlier, but one for intake and one for exhaust. So this is the top plate of the cam holder. Atul is putting the bolts in and then he'll just screw it down and then everything is tightened. Then Atul, all you have to do is install the timing chain,
Sprocket.
the timing sprocket, put the chain on it and then cover it,
And the cam
put
cover.
the cam cover on top.
Right. And we have to do the valve clearance.
Yes, valve clearance as well. So not very complicated this engine.
No, this is not complicated. It's very easy, and it is very easy to kill it.
No, hopefully we won't kill this engine. At least till the bigger X-Pulse is out.
You never know.
You know, even the stock X-Pulse can be very scary on the trail if you actually manage to ride it full throttle.
I think the tires are just too bad.
No, yeah, tires are just not up to the mark for hardcore trail riding.
No, not at all. Sand. The second you get on the sand, you're done.
Ha.
Sand is too bad for that tire.
But these tires are really nice. So I have grip everywhere.
Everything.
So every time I ride with these guys, Yudhvir and Nakra and everybody, if I see anybody struggling, I'm just not struggling there wherever other people are. Acha, Atul bhai, what is the torque setting for these bolts?
No idea.
So what are you setting it to?
I set it as per my.
Which is
understanding.
what?
I keep it between 22 Nm.
Around 22 Nm.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all.
So the two bolts that we had put inside earlier, we are torquing them down to 10 Newton meters. Atul, what is this torque tool? What brand of tools do you use here at Speed Monks? Because they look very high quality.
I use Top Tool.
Top tools.
Yeah. There are much more even higher brands, but yeah, this is reasonable as well as quite accurate.
Atul, why are we opening this?
To match the timing,
To match the timing. And how do we do that?
we will rotate the magnet, the crank from here.
You'll rotate the crank from here and then what happens?
Then there are markings onto the magnet which we can see from here.
Okay. What Atul is doing is he's moving the crank from here so that the piston reaches the top.
Yes. And seems like it has.
It has?
Yes.
Okay.
If you see, there is a marking there. So there are two.
All right.
This is the way the company has designed it so that the technician can do it.
You will now install the timing chain sprocket.
Yes.
Okay.
Do that.
And this can only be done when the piston is at the top?
It is the way the timing has been kept. Yes. Means when you do it that way, is everything in most of the engines, everything comes in line. Like now you
Yeah.
can see everything is parallel. That is parallel means it is the way they have designed it. Means to get it to the point where you can finally install it.
Okay.
Reference points.
All right.
So we can check the rotation of all the components.
Okay. And how do you do it? You're rotating the crank
Yeah.
and checking up top if things are working fine.
Things are working fine. There is nothing wrong installation wise. Just having a check. So now we will prefer doing the well clearance also. The clearance has been calculated between this adjuster and the top of this.
Okay.
pad. So by the filler gauge we will be measuring it. But currently I'm just losing it up.
Okay.
Because as I can, if you guys want, I don't know if you guys will hear it or not.
Yeah.
The clearance is just slightly much.
Okay.
So due to that, that's why it's sounding.
So if the clearance is just correct, then it will not make any sound.
There will be a sound, but might not be that audible.
And now you'll put the
Camper.
cam cover.
So see it. This is the final stage. You might not be going to see it again.
Yeah.
That's it.
It doesn't need gaskets or anything.
Your vehicle has not done much.
600 kilometers.
Yeah, that's why I'm using it. Otherwise, you want me to at the cost I will.
No, thank you. The moment of truth. Now Atul's going to start the motorcycle. We've not tried it even once. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what it's idling at. What is the next step?
So now we will be putting the tuner.
Okay.
Before the tuner, we will run it for 10-15 kilometers
Okay.
and check for any clear noises or any issues we are facing. Then we'll put the tuner back and put the clutch assembly.
So we'll put the clutch assembly after we tune the motorcycle, because that really has nothing to do with the tuning. Okay. So guys, this is the motorcycle. Atul, will I probably have it tomorrow? Hopefully. Okay, so if Atul gives me the bike tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna ride this on Sunday and give you just the first impressions of the motorcycle. Of course, we have to run the motorcycle in. Atul, how much do you think we need to run this new piston in?
At least 500.
500 kilometers, but I can ride it on the trail about 4-5,000 RPM, right?
Yeah, once you've done approximately 200 kilometers or
So I'll have to ride 200 kilometers on the road first.
not really road, but slightly easy.
So let's say if I directly take it to the trail from here.
No problem.
No problem, right?
Till the time you're not pushing it, there's no problem.
I'll just ride it easily, but I'd like to ride it on the trail because these tires are very difficult. The knobby tires are just not fun enough to ride on the road. It's a torture. Alright guys, so that's about it for this video. We've installed the 71mm piston, which makes it a 227cc motorcycle. We've installed a high lift, high duration camshaft. And that's pretty much it, right? The ignition coil.
Ignition coil.
Yeah. So
The clutch.
yeah, the clutch will go in later. Clutch will probably go in once Atul rides the motorcycle. The ECU is going to go in after Atul rides the motorcycle. So Atul, the ECU has 4 maps, right? We're going to ride it on map 1 or 2, which is the most basic map.
Mostly on the second one.
Second map. Right. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. I'm Abhinav. That's Atul in front of you. We are at Speed Monks Performance Center. Have a nice day. Bye bye.